When we imagine the world 500 years from now, we often picture machines and AI doing everything, while humans do almost nothing. But what if the future is different? A world where humans remain in control, using AI and machines as tools to make everyday life easier, safer, and more comfortable, without losing the human way of life. So, let's take a glimpse into the year 2500. For many people, the day may begin before they even touch a switch. The home quietly adjusts light, temperature, and airflow according to the resident's routine. Even the bathroom could become part of daily preventive healthcare. Most of these checks happen automatically, without turning every morning into a medical examination. In the kitchen, automation handles repetitive tasks, while people still choose what they want to eat. Future food may be prepared differently, but it still looks like food. And even 500 years from now, breakfast may remain one of the simplest parts of family life. Most people may live in efficient homes rather than extreme luxury. Living spaces could change throughout the day instead of dedicating one room to a single purpose. The same room might be a workspace in the morning and a family space again by evening. Routine cleaning may happen quietly in the background. Homes could balance comfort, energy, and water use automatically. Even household waste could be sorted before residents think about where it goes. Children still leave home to learn, even if the classroom itself has changed. Human teachers may work alongside artificial intelligence, rather than being completely replaced by it. Education may focus less on memorizing and more on solving problems. History could be explored through realistic reconstructions of the past. And science lessons may combine real experiments with instant digital guidance. Children will still need something technology cannot replace: movement, competition, and play. As morning continues, millions of people begin moving across the city. For many journeys, there may no longer be a human behind the wheel. Passengers simply enter, choose where they need to go, and continue with their day. Vehicles could communicate with one another to reduce traffic and delays. Longer trips across the city may happen through fast underground transport. As transport becomes more efficient, some streets may no longer belong mainly to cars. That could make getting around much easier for people who once depended on others. Automation may change work dramatically, but that does not mean humans stop working. Machines will likely handle more repetitive, dangerous, and exhausting tasks. Human work could shift toward judgment, creativity, planning, and solving problems machines cannot handle alone. Designers may test thousands of possibilities before a single object is built. Construction could become faster and safer as machines take over the riskiest physical work. And behind every advanced city, people still have to keep its basic systems working. Research may become one of the most important forms of work in a constantly evolving society. The jobs may change, but work itself may remain part of everyday life. After work, something as ordinary as grocery shopping may still feel surprisingly familiar. The difference is that customers may never have to stand in a checkout line. Behind the shelves, automated systems could replace products before customers notice they are running low. Even buying clothes could become faster without removing the experience of visiting a real store. Restaurants may automate preparation while humans continue shaping the experience. Technology may change how food is served without changing why people sit down together. Healthcare may focus far more on detecting problems before a person feels seriously ill. A short scan could examine much of the body without painful or complicated procedures. Artificial intelligence could analyze huge amounts of medical data while doctors make the final decisions. When surgery is required, machines may perform movements more precise than human hands alone. Better prevention and treatment could help people remain healthy and independent for much longer. Feeding enormous cities may require bringing agriculture much closer to the people who eat the food. These farms could control water, nutrients, and growing conditions with great precision. Machines may handle harvesting, while humans inspect quality and manage the system. From there, fresh food could move directly into automated distribution networks beneath the city. A grocery order may travel from farm to neighborhood without entering normal road traffic. Much of the work that keeps a future city alive may happen where most residents never see it. Keeping goods below ground could free the streets above for people and public transportation. The final few meters may be completed by a small machine arriving quietly at the front door. But an efficient city would still fail if it forgot something basic. People need places to simply live. Cafes, markets, and public spaces may remain just as important as they are today. Some forms of entertainment may survive because people still want to experience them together. Other experiences could become far more immersive than anything available today. As the working day ends, the city becomes less about productivity and more about people. Millions begin the journey home, while automated systems continue working around them. And behind millions of windows, everyday life becomes surprisingly familiar again. By the year 2500, everyday life may be transformed beyond anything we recognize today. The question is, would you be ready to call this future home?
If you love this adventure, leave a like and subscribe to Beyond Reality for you. There is always another reality waiting to be explored.